even it has polished whatever knowledge I have before, and it has polished my knowledge more, and I have full knowledge of this business, and everything was fantastic. Everything was fantastic, even the food, even the accommodation, even even all the arrangement, everything. What can I say? I have no words. Everything is really wonderful.
Yes, last 3 days जबरदस्त coming 3.2 बोट कैंप और बहुत कुछ धमाल बजने वाला है और हम लोग नॉर्थ ईस्ट से आया हूँ और नेक्स्ट बोट कैंप 3.2 सबसे ज्यादा हम लोग का यहाँ पे आएगा।
Okay, so first of all, boot camp 2.0 ನಮಗೆಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಕೂಡ ತುಂಬಾ ಎಕ್ಸೈಟ್ ಏನಾಗಿದೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ಟಿ ಇರಬಹುದು, ಸ್ಟೇಜ್ ಸೆಟಪ್ ಇರಬಹುದು, ಅರೇಂಜ್ಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಇರಬಹುದು, ಫುಡ್ ಇರಬಹುದು, ರೂಮ್ ಇರಬಹುದು, ಎಲ್ಲಾನು ಕೂಡ ಅಮೇಜಿಂಗ್. ಬಟ್ ಅದೆಲ್ಲದಕ್ಕೂ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಸಿಕ್ಕಿರೋದು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ದ ಟ್ರೈನಿಂಗ್, ಈ ಒಂದು ನಾಲೆಜ್ ಏನಿದೆ ಇದನ್ನ ನಾವೆಲ್ಲರೂ ಕೂಡ ಡೆಫಿನೆಟ್ಲಿ ಇಂಪ್ಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಬೂಟ್ ಕ್ಯಾಂಪ್ 3.0ಗೆ ಇನ್ನಷ್ಟು ಸ್ಟಾರ್ ಫೈಂಡರ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನ ನಾವು ಕ್ರಿಯೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಡೆಫಿನೆಟ್ಲಿ ನಾವೆಲ್ಲರೂ ಕೂಡ ಒಂದು ಅಮೇಜಿಂಗ್ ಆಗಿರುವಂತ ಡಿಸಿಷನ್ ಅನ್ನ ತಗೊಂಡು ಇಂಡಸ್ಟ್ರಿ ಅನ್ನ ಕರ್ನಾಟಕದಲ್ಲಿ ಬಿಲ್ಡ್ ಮಾಡೋದಕ್ಕೆ ವಾಟ್ ಯು ಸೇ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ಸ್? Yes!
ఈ 3 రోజుల పాటు గోవాలో గడిపినది అసలు ఒక నిమిషంలో గడిచిపోయింది. మా అందరికీ చాలా చాలా ఎక్సైటెడ్గా ఉన్నాము. అంబాసిడర్స్ నుండి మంచి మంచి మెసేజెస్ తీసుకున్నాము. ఇదంతా మేము ఇంప్లిమెంట్ చేయాలన్న ఆలోచన మా అందరికీ కలిగింది. థ్యాంక్ యూ ఆల్ ద మెంటర్స్. చాలా మంచి ఎడ్యుకేషన్ రిసీవ్ చేసుకున్నాము ఈరోజు మేము ఇక్కడ. థ్యాంక్ యూ వెరీ మచ్.
അപ്പോൾ നമ്മുടെ ബൂട്ട് ക്യാമ്പ് 2.0നെ കുറിച്ച് പറയാതുണ്ടെങ്കിൽ ഒരു രക്ഷയില്ല. റിസോർട്ട് തന്നെ വലിയ ഒരു അടിപൊളി റിസോർട്ട്, പിന്നെ ഫുഡ് കാര്യങ്ങളൊക്കെ അടിപൊളി എക്സ്പീരിയൻസ് ആയിരുന്നു. പിന്നെ ഒരു 3 ദിവസം എന്ന് പറഞ്ഞു കഴിഞ്ഞാൽ ലൈഫിൽ ഏറ്റവും വലിയൊരു ടേണിംഗ് പോയിന്റ് ആയി മാറിയേക്കാവുന്ന ഒരു അച്ചീവ്മെന്റ് ആണ്. ഓക്കെ,
Friends, I am here at the Boot Camp 2.0. So what is the significance of this particular program is, it is nothing but a competent set of people. People who are competent, who have the capability to reach any great levels are gathered here for 3 days to understand and to impart the necessary skills in order to realize their inner potential and attain financial freedom in life. Checking whether you can achieve star 500 rank or not is important to analyze yourself whether you are a future ready material as an entrepreneur or not. Boot camp plays a very significant role, like converting an uncut diamond to a finished diamond kind of process it is. So it is really amazing. I strongly recommend everyone to achieve star 500 rank and attend boot camp and realize your true potential. So your friend and partner in success, Abhilash Thomas, signing off.